Bienvenue à Saint-Albert. Welcome to St. Albert, home of some of Canada's finest cheese. I'm here with my friend Francis, and we're about to sample some of the cheese.
Look at where we are! We have made it! Yay! St. Albert!
What are you holding, Fran?
Poutine, I don't know how you want to pronounce it.
The lovely cheese curds from St. Albert. This shop sells various types of cheese as well as other food items. One of the most famous dishes that comes from Quebec is poutine. All right, we're ready for the unboxing, Francis.
Coming to you live and direct of the St. Albert. Oh my God!
This is the Bacon Palooza Poutine. It was a good day to fly and explore the sky. We also visited St. Albert's Church and Cemetery. After St. Albert, we traveled northeast to Castleman. I hope you enjoyed this short road trip video with Francis and I.